Hey guys, it's Dom from City Warmth, and in this video we're going to look at how to repressurise a Baxi Combi boiler. You may be at home bleeding a radiator, or your boiler may be flashing 118 and you've got no heating or hot water. Either way, the pressure is in need of topping up. You will find one of these filling loops attached on the underside of your Baxi boiler, or on the pipework directly underneath. If you have the easy filling link from Baxi, you will find it underneath the boiler on the right hand side. Pull down the green spring and hold it in position, watching the boiler refill. Once your black needle gets to the number 1, you want to release the lever and your boiler is good to go. The rigid link is found in the same place with levers that are a little stiff, but they only go one direction. You can't get it wrong. The external filling loop has 2 black levers which only turn one direction in line with the pipework to open it up and fill with water. There's no need to press any reset buttons on the Baxi boiler. Once the black needle is in line with the number 1 or just above, your heating and hot water will be good to go.
For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.